Third one, that is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the discriminant first. So this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Let us write the coefficients. A equals to 2, b equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. Now the discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to, so b square, that is minus 6 square minus 4 into a value, a is 2 into c is 3. So this is equal to 36 minus 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24. Now this is I am getting as 12. Now b square minus 4ac, it is greater than 0. 12 is nothing but what? Greater than 0. So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Then there must be two distinct real roots. Therefore, two distinct real roots. Two distinct real roots. Now, it means real roots are exist. Now we have to find them. So, in the last problem, b square minus 4ac term, that is equal to 0 was there. So that the roots are minus b by 2a minus b by 2a written. But here greater than 0, I cannot take again minus b by 2a. If suppose equal to 0 is there, then I can take directly minus b by 2a. Now this is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now I have to solve by any method. But by factorization, it may not be possible. Okay, I will go through the formula method only. So by factorization, maximum problems may not be solved. Okay, that's why you should go through the formula method also. Now I'll write the formula. X equals to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now this is x equals to minus b. I have already written here. Minus b is minus 6 plus or minus square root of. So this term already I got. That I can write. Otherwise I will substitute once again. So minus 6 square minus 4 into a value is 2 into c is there, that is 3 divided by 2a, that is 2 into a value, it is how much? 2. Now x equals to minus into minus, it is plus 6 plus or minus under root of 36 minus 24 divided by 4 it is. Now here x is equal to 6 plus or minus under root of, this is 12 divided by 4. Now I have to write root 12 in simplest form. So root 12 I can write it as 4 3s are 12, that is 4 into 3 I can write. So now here square root of 4 is nothing but how much it is? 2 into root 3. So that is square root of 12 I can write as 2 root 3 here. So this is equals to 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 divided by 4 it is. Now still I can write it in the simplest form. Now here I can take 2 as common. Now x is equals to, if 2 taken outside, remaining what will be there? 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by 4. Now here 2 ones are 2 twos are. So remaining is what? 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by 2. Okay. Now here you can write, therefore the roots are, which are those? 3 plus root 3 by 2, one root, and another one will be 3 minus root 3 divided by 2. Okay, these are the second question. Find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have equal roots. If these two quadratic equations have equal roots, then you have to find the value of k. So we have to find the value of k now here. Now this is already in standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Now here a is equals to how much? A equal to 2, b equals to k and c is equal to 3. Now they already said they have equal roots. If they have equal roots, then discriminant is equal to 0. That is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 I can take. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 because given condition it is. Now I will substitute the values here, then I will find the value of k. Now b square, that is k square minus 4ac, 4 into a value is 2, c value is 3 is equals to 0. Now this is k square minus 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24 is equals to 0. Now k square is equals to 24 it is. Okay. Now k is equals to plus or minus root of 24. Okay. It may be plus or it may be minus. There are two possibilities. Now this is this I can write as 4 into 6 4 6 24 it is. Now this is plus or minus. Square root of 4 is nothing but 2. Square root of 6, that is k is equals to plus or minus 2 root 6 I can get it. Okay, these are the two possible values of k to get b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now I will come here. Now this is not in standard form. I have to convert it in a standard form first. So this I will multiply kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equals to 0. Now I will write as standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Let us write the coefficients. Here a value is k and b value, that is minus 2k and c is equal to 6. Now let us take the discriminant as 0 because they given two equal real roots are there. Discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now b square, it is nothing but minus 2k square minus 4ac, 4 into a value is how much? K. C value it is 6 is equals to 0. Now this is equals to minus 2k, that is 4k square minus. So this value is how much? 24k is equals to 0. Now here I can take k as common. K I will take common. So inside what will be there? Inside 4k minus, so otherwise you can take 4k common. We'll take 4k common. So inside k minus 6 is equals to 0. 4k taken outside. 6 4s are 24. Now here, if suppose k is equal to 0, then it may not be quadratic equation. So I should write k must not be equal to 0 here. So and another one is k minus 6 is equals to 0, k is equal to 6. Okay, the only possibility is k equal to 6 to get b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If I take k equal to 0, then it may not be the quadratic equation. So a term must not be equal to 0. So k should not be equal to 0. So the possibility is k equal to 6. And here possibility is k equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. Question: is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth? There was a mango grove whose length is twice of its breadth, and the area of that grove is 800 meters square. If so, find its length and breadth. So, is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove with the conditions its length is twice of its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? Is it possible? First you have to check whether it is possible to design that rectangular mango grove or not. If it is possible, then you have to find the length and breadth. How we can check is it possible? Now one will ask some questions. Is it possible? It means the roots are real or not. Means the roots are exist or not. Means the roots are real or does not exist. If the roots are exist, it means real, either may be equal or distinct. Then we can say it is possible. You can say it is possible. If the roots does not exist, means not real, then it is not possible, I can say. That is, b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, means greater than 0, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If these two conditions are there, then I can say that it is possible. If suppose this condition b square minus 4ac less than 0, then I can say it is not possible for everything. Okay, it is not possible because I am getting a not real. The roots are not real. Therefore, I can say it is not possible. Now here, let us form first quadratic equation. How we can form? They given it. Length is twice of its breadth. Length is twice of its breadth. Let us take, I will take breadth as x. I will take second one, I will refer. Breadth is equals to x. Here the meter square they given, I will take this as meter. Now length will be what? Length is twice of its breadth, that is 2x will be the length. Now they given area is 800 meter square area. So we know the formula, length into breadth is nothing but that is area of the rectangle. So this is here length into breadth, that I can write as area. Here length is x and breadth is 2x. Now area is how much? Area 800 meter square they given, 800. Okay. Now 2 ones are 2 400. So this is x square is equals to 400. Now we'll convert in standard form. This will be x square minus 400 is equals to 0. Let us check the discriminant whether it is greater than 0 or equal to 0. In this case, it is possible to design. Otherwise, it is not possible to design. Okay. Now this is of the form a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Let us write the coefficients. Here a value is 1 and b here is, there is no x term here, therefore b is equal to 0 and c is equals to, c value is minus 400. Now let us find the discriminant b square minus 4ac. Now b square, that is nothing but 0 square, that is 0, minus 4 into a value is 1 into c value, c is minus 400. So this is minus into minus plus 4 4s are 1600 I am getting. So this is greater than 0. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Then I can say it as it is possible. It is possible to design. Therefore, it is possible. It is possible to design. It is possible to design, I can say. Okay. If so, find its length and breadth. Means if it is possible to design the length and breadth, then you have to. Is it possible to design a mango grow, rectangular mango grow? Then I have to find its length and breadth. Okay. So it is possible to design. Now I can find its length and breadth. How I can find it? Means I have to find the value of x. Go here. Here I am getting the quadratic equation x square minus 400 is equal to 0. Now x square is equals to 400. Now here x is equals to plus or minus square root of 400. So x I can write as plus or minus 20 square root of 400. Now here x may be only x is equal to, first I will take 20, or x is equal to I can take as minus 20. Here this is not possible because x is nothing but breadth. Okay, so breadth of the rectangle cannot be negative. So this is not possible. This is not possible. The only possible value of x is 20. Therefore, I can write as length. Length I have taken here as what? 2x meter. That is 2 into 20. That is equals to 40 meter. I should write. And then we should write the unit. And breadth. Breadth is equals to, that I have taken it as x. Now x is nothing but what here? 20 meter. Okay. So we solve this and we got b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Then I can say it is possible to design a rectangular mango grow. If it is possible to design, then I have to find the length and breadth of that rectangular mango grow. So for that I have taken x square minus 400 equal to 0. I already got the equation. So after solving this, I will get x equal to 20 or minus 20. So this is not possible because x I have taken here as breadth of the rectangle. It cannot be negative. So the only possibility of x is 20. Then I have to write the length and breadth. Okay, this is 40 meter and 20 meter.